Hello friends, welcome to the new series of Xero. So here we are going to create the invoices. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start the tutorial. So I'm always adding the video like 2 or 3 minutes only, so you will get the idea of that, or any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. So let's start the tutorial. So here we have the invoices. Okay, so this is our parameters that we need to add: line of items we require, description, and everything, the price, and contact ID is obviously required. So we are going to add this contact ID from my previous video that I have created the contacts, copying this. So I'm going to add my contact ID over here. So let's add it. Mm, Add it. So moving to the next, we need the headers also. Just copy this headers, bulk edit, control A, control C. Then we are going to add the headers at the same, bulk edit, paste it. Okay, key value edit, send it. Validation exception error, invoice reference this, payments this, contact this. An existing contact could not be found using the specified contact details. Contact field is required to create a new contact. So what is the error? You have added the, okay, let's see what the contact ID if this. Okay, so where we are in this Xero, we have our contacts. Let's see. So we have a contact person. Let's see the contact details. Edit. Contact name is there, first name is there, Rajnikant, and just add Choudhary. So yeah, that's it for now. Save it, and we will copy the contact ID of the top. This is my contact ID. So let's move to that one. This is the contact ID which you need to add. The same one, I think. Okay, send the data. Your invoice is created. See if this user has the invoice or not. Let's go to the contacts, and this user, let's they have the voice invoice. Let's see what exactly they have. They have the invoice pending. Okay, this invoice is created. Let's see what the invoice says. Acme 12 tires. In the here we have Acme 12 tires, I guess. So we have Acme 12 tires, right? So invoice is created, total of 40 with the items, everything is there. Okay, and also you can search with the invoices here. So you have created the invoice on which name, all invoices. You can see that there's a foo, right? That we have the address, website design. So this will check this one. The invoices can be created with the help of the REST API also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any issue, any query, let me know in the comment section. But please don't follow, don't don't get into like, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.